Welcome to asH Maths. Mathematics can be a daunting subject, full of complex equations and abstract concepts. But beyond the challenges lies a beauty that is rarely appreciated. Mathematics is a language that describes the fundamental structure of the universe. From the tiniest subatomic particles to the largest structures in the cosmos, mathematical concepts are integral to understanding the world around us. Mathematics is also a source of beauty in its own right. The intricate patterns and shapes found in nature, the elegant curves of a well-designed building, and the efficiency of modern technology are all products of mathematical thinking. And despite its reputation as a difficult subject, mathematics is accessible to everyone. Whether you're a student just beginning to explore the world of numbers and equations, or an experienced mathematician with years of research under your belt, the beauty of mathematics is waiting to be discovered.